And just like that, guys, we made it to the last episode of the Frankenstein paper mache series. I'm very excited to finish this project. I did end up going with a decision to add some skin, some paper to his face, just so that the paint actually looks better. Because if I go ahead and paint it, the paint's not gonna cover all the imperfections in the skin. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of paper to just flatten it out and make you'll see what I'm talking about when I'm there. But yeah, I'm also gonna be doing a little bit of homework. There's a podcast I have to listen to. There's this new rig I'm gonna try right here, and let's just to get to work and get it done. You guys like my socks? This is the paper mache head right here with this layer of skin. It's pretty much dried out. Working on the thunderbolts. I did all of this last night. It took me about 3 hours just to do this, and I'm gonna probably spend another hour or two filling this side of the thunderbolts up. After that, before I forget, I have to also add paper to this. So it's coming along slowly but surely, guys, and it's taking longer than anything else, but honestly, this is going to help the paint later on sit better, and it's going to give it a different texture than from the skin and the hair. So it's going to help it out a little bit more, hopefully. But here we go, guys. I'm going to go and finish this up here before class. I have class at 12:30. Right now it's 10:27, just call it 10:30. So I have about 2 hours to do this work here before class, and then maybe in the afternoon work on these bolts if I don't have any homework, because I have to get that done first and then back to this. But I hope you guys are hanging on. I hope you guys are excited to see it finish, because you guys ain't gonna have to go through all of that. You're just gonna, do this. Here it is, completed. I even had time to go all around the bottom of the lightning bolts as well. My class is about to start, so I think I did good because I finished the lightning bolts completely. Now the only thing I have to do is these two little bolts at the bottom. These are probably going to be the hardest thing to do because they're tiny little creases, and the papers are going to they're going to have to be smaller than these papers I use. They're going to have to be tiny, so that's going to take longer. I'm not going to work on that. You know what? I forgot to tell you guys. I worked on this on stream last night. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, probably be too late. I'll probably be working on something else by then. But Crazy Brave 6913 on Twitch. Catch me doing crafts. Catch me painting right as of the moment Cyberpunk. But let me know if you guys want to see me craft some more on there, and I'm totally down to do that. But anyway, yeah, I need to get to class. So here we are, guys. Painting day, or actually painting night, because it's about 10 o'clock at night right now, and I'm starting to use the airbrush machine. Yes, this is my first time using an airbrush machine, and honestly, I don't know if I'm using it right to do a big area, but it's really taking its time. But honestly, I do like the spread better than what it looks like when I'm using the paintbrush, just because it doesn't look so thick, and I usually lose some detail with the paintbrush. And this is just coating it enough. So yeah, let me hang this up over here. So yeah, we'll see how it comes out, guys. Honestly, painting, I had a vision for everything except the painting. So let's hope I could actually pull it off here. But yeah, good thing this is still on there, protecting the inside, because look at all this gesso I put down, and it got in there. But yeah, here we go. I'll keep working on it. I'll show you once I'm done with the hair. Alright guys, like always, I have not been recording, and he looks completely different. I think he looks way better. Get ready to see Frankenstein with his new paint job here. Does it look good? Wow, that was all airbrush. So for my first time using an airbrush, I'm pretty happy. Pretty proud of myself here. But pretty much the skin is on. His back is pretty much on. I'm already working on Thunderbolts, but before I started, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and do an update. I'm very happy that I put this plastic up, because then everything would have gotten messed up inside of there. But yeah, here it is. Coming out good, guys. Not done yet. We're still working on here. Slowly but surely making our way to getting done with this project.
Many months later.
The only thing I have to do now is take off this bag and paint the back of these Thunderbolts a little bit, and I'm done. Can't believe I just said that. I'm about to be done. I just need to remove this. So maybe I should set up the camera for that. What's going on here? Oh my god, I haven't seen the inside of this in such a long time. There it is. I took it off. Completed. What the fuck? I can't believe I made this. What the hell? Let me get some new batteries for this. Here it is. Frankenstein's head. 100% completed. It only took me about a year to finish that. I mean, a little bit over than a year. When I first started, I believe I was bald. As in for this video is pretty much done. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, guys. Help us get to 300 subscribers. And I appreciate you stopping by. See you guys in the next video. Look at my hair now. It's pretty long. I don't even think I had gray hair when I first started this, but it's in there now. But yeah, a year working on this. All of it is done. Everything is complete. The only thing is that, sadly, for some strange reason, it's not turning on now. I've changed the batteries on it. I don't know what else to do to try to make it work, but the lights in there are not turning on. And this really puts a damper on my plans for this, because I was going to try to sell it, and I was going to try to auction it, and whatever I got from auctioning the head off, I was going to donate it to Los Angeles Children's Hospital, but it's not working, and I'm not sure if I should sell it at all, because it's not working. I mean, a lot of work on this, and it looks good. It came out great. It's just that for some strange reason, it is not turning on anymore. See, I flicked the button on and off, and it's just not turning on the inside anymore. And that is a bummer.
This is a bummer, man. That's a bummer.
The paint job I did, I think, came out pretty good. It was the first time I ever used an airbrush machine. I think I did pretty good with it. Too bad you can't see anything in there. The lights are not working. Man, that's a real big bummer for me. I don't know anything about electricity. I kind of just decided to throw the cables in. It could be a number of things. Maybe some of the paint got into the wires, or some of the water from the paper mache got into the wires, or maybe just, you know, who knows? Like I said, I don't know anything about electricity, but yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna put it up to auction. I don't even know if I should even put this in the video that I was gonna auction it off, because I mean, fuck, I don't even know if anybody's gonna want it. But if anybody's interested, you know, hit me up. But if anybody's interested in purchasing this head, I'll leave my Instagram link down below, and you guys can hit me up there, and we'll get into contact. Anything that I make from this head, up to $200, I will match and will be donated to the Los Angeles Children's Hospital. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for keeping up with this head. Born Level Puller, anybody that's contacted me, encouraged me, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to the next project. I hope you guys are here. I will continue making these paper mache projects. I really enjoy doing them. I'm honestly going to go back to doing skulls and flowers, because that's much more easier for me, and I could do it faster. This is the first time I do somebody's face, somebody's head, and work something inside of something like this. And I learned a lot. So it's not a complete failure. So maybe for my next project, I'll take it up a step or two. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for following along. Link to the playlist video so you guys can see it from the beginning to end is somewhere up here next to my face. Subscribe, please, to keep up with the next projects that I'm going to be coming up with paper mache. And thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, fuck it, man. Can't be worried about that shit. Life goes on, man.